Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the exact media and output device, so changes apply where you listen. Open the media player and route sound to the target device. Make sure Bluetooth is connected if using wireless. Next, locate the app or system audio settings. You'll need access to volume, balance, or equalizer controls. Once done, test playback briefly at low volume so you can hear the effect of adjustments without risking loud spikes. And keep your measurement tool ready. You now make the substantive changes. Start with overall and per app volume sliders so relative loudness is correct. Then open the equalizer and apply a preset, or adjust bands manually to boost clarity or reduce muddiness. Small increments are better than big jumps. If your tool offers compression or normalization, apply it carefully to control dynamics. Make sure to watch the peak meter. Keeping about 6 decibels of headroom helps prevent clipping while preserving perceived loudness and detail. You finish by saving or exporting with the correct format and bitrate for your delivery platform, and then play the final file through multiple devices to ensure consistency. If sound is thin or distorted, first revert to default settings and repeat small adjustments. Often sample rate mismatches or driver conflicts cause problems. If playback is absent, switch the output device and restart the audio service or app. These quick resets resolve most driver or routing issues and get you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.